Hi guys, so is the start stop system on your Jeep Compass not working, showing a warning message or staying unavailable even after driving? Now, before assuming that there is a major problem, there are a few things that you should check first. So let's go through them one by one. So here the very first thing that you should know is that the auto start or stop system doesn't have a traditional reset button. If the system detects a condition that could affect the performance, it will automatically disable itself until that condition is corrected. Now, one of the most common reasons why the start-stop system stops working on the Jeep Compass is the weak auxiliary battery. So even if the vehicle starts normally, the failing auxiliary battery can prevent the system from operating, and then it can trigger this particular warning. So in order to fix it, what you can do is you can just simply perform a battery reset, in which you just have to simply disconnect the negative battery terminal for about 10 to 15 minutes. And after 10 to 15 minutes, you just have to simply reconnect them all, start the vehicle and drive like you normally do. So this can temporarily this can basically clear the temporary module communication fault on some of the Compass models. So after the reset, you just have to first of all allow the engine to reach the normal operating temperature, and then you can drive for several more minutes. So the start stop system may remain unavailable until the vehicle completes its self checks and it confirm that the battery voltage and the operating conditions are within the range. So that's how you can reset it. Thank you.